the second edition of the Manufacturing Technology Conference, and this conference is all about sharing knowledge about production technologies and manufacturability.
In my opinion, this technology conference shines because it's based on engineering, based on making stuff better, making parts in a smarter way. And you can only do that if you share with each other what you can actually make and where you can use it. And then the engineers can come up with creative solutions to actually use that application.
For today we have two purposes. One is to give solutions, technology, what we already have developed. And the second purpose is to get some information, what is the next step that we need to innovate for the future.
I'm proud of this edition of the Manufacturing Technology Conference because we almost doubled the amount of companies that are sharing their knowledge today, and also the diversity of technologies is much bigger than last year.
No matter if you're a small company or a big company, you still get the same attendance and the same visibility. And that means that if each and everybody has that, everybody will open up. And if they see somebody sharing information, they will also share information.